Have you ever felt like someone's words or actions ruined your entire day? Maybe it was a thoughtless comment, an unexpected inconvenience, or just someone cutting you off in traffic. It's frustrating, isn't it? But here's the truth. No one can control your emotions unless you let them. Imagine walking through life with an unshakable sense of peace, where even the most irritating situations couldn't rattle you. That's not a fantasy. It's emotional mastery. Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful lessons inspired by Stoic philosophy that will help you stop reacting impulsively, let go of anger, and take back control of your emotions. These aren't about suppressing your feelings or pretending you don't care. They're practical strategies to build mental strength, navigate challenges with clarity, and protect your peace in any situation. Your journey to emotional freedom starts right now. Lesson 1. Your reactions are your choice. Picture this. You're enjoying a calm, peaceful day. Then, someone says something rude, cuts you off in traffic, or dismisses your ideas at work. Suddenly, your peace is gone, replaced by frustration or anger. You might think, why did they ruin my day? But here's the hard truth. They didn't. You did. No one controls your emotions unless you give them the power. Think of your mind as a fortress. You decide who enters and what stays. A great Stoic quote captures this perfectly. Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space lies our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and freedom. The next time you feel triggered, pause. Name the emotion you're experiencing: anger, hurt, irritation. That pause is where your power lives. Instead of reacting impulsively, ask yourself, is this really about me, or is it their problem? Choose your response based on your values, not on the heat of the moment. Lesson 2. Stop expecting others to behave like you. Think about this. You go out of your way for a friend, but when you need help, they're nowhere to be found. Or you're at work, and a co-worker's disorganized habits make your job harder. Disappointment floods in, and you think, how could they act this way? I'd never do that. Here's the hard truth. People don't live by your standards or values. They operate by their own. Expecting others to behave exactly like you is like trying to control the weather. It's impossible and only leaves you frustrated. Marcus Aurelius said it best. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The next time someone disappoints you, pause and remind yourself, they're acting from their nature, not mine. Let go of expectations and focus on controlling your own reactions. Lesson 3. Let go of the need to always be right. When was the last time you got into an argument over something trivial? Maybe it was a debate about the best route to take or a disagreement with your partner. Did you feel that burning need to prove your point? It's exhausting, isn't it? The need to always be right comes from insecurity, as if being wrong threatens your identity. But what if you could let go of that need entirely? Ask yourself, would I rather be right, or would I rather be at peace? In most cases, peace is far more rewarding. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the opinion of 10,000 men is of no value if none of them know the truth. Choose your battles wisely. Not every disagreement needs to be won, and sometimes stepping back is the ultimate strength. Lesson 4. Stop letting others define your worth. Imagine sharing a project or idea you're proud of, only to have someone dismiss it with a careless remark. It stings, doesn't it? But here's a truth you need to internalize. Your worth isn't determined by someone else's opinion. Marcus Aurelius captured this perfectly. We care more about other people's opinions than our own, yet we love ourselves more than anyone else. Stop outsourcing your value. Their words reflect their perspective, not your identity. Reaffirm what you know to be true about yourself and move forward. Lesson 5. Set boundaries to protect your energy. Boundaries aren't selfish, they're survival tools. Without them, you let others dictate your time, energy, and emotional well-being. Saying yes to everyone often means saying no to yourself. Think of this: you can't pour from an empty cup. If you're always available to others but never for yourself, burnout is inevitable. Communicate your limits clearly and honor them consistently. Epictetus reminds us, freedom is the ability to live as we wish, and boundaries are how you claim that freedom. Lesson 6. Detach from the opinions of others. Here's a shift. Not every opinion about you deserves space in your mind. People's judgments reflect their own biases, insecurities, and experiences, not your reality. Epictetus said it best: if you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. True freedom comes when you stop living for their approval and start living for your own authenticity. Lesson 7. Respond with silence, not anger. Silence is a superpower. When someone provokes you, your first instinct might be to snap back. But silence often speaks louder than words. It starves negativity of the attention it craves. Marcus Aurelius advises, the best answer to anger is silence. Silence isn't weakness, it's wisdom. The next time someone tries to provoke you, pause and ask yourself, will my response add value or escalate the situation? Let silence be your answer. Lesson 8. Practice gratitude to dissolve anger. It's impossible to feel angry and grateful at the same time. Gratitude acts like a reset button, shifting your focus from what's wrong to what's right. Cicero called gratitude the greatest of virtues. When frustration arises, pause and name 3 things you're thankful for. This simple habit rewires your brain to focus on the good and helps anger dissolve. Lesson 9. Reframe criticism as a tool for growth. Criticism can sting, but it's often a mirror that reflects where you can improve. Epictetus offers timeless wisdom. If someone speaks ill of you, respond, "He does not know my other faults. Otherwise, he would have mentioned those too." The key is to filter criticism. Take what's constructive and let go of the rest. Growth often hides in discomfort. Embrace it. Lesson 10. Master the art of letting go. Holding on to anger or resentment is like gripping a burning coal. It only hurts you. Letting go doesn't mean excusing bad behavior. It means freeing yourself from the weight of it. Marcus Aurelius said, "Do not be disturbed by what is outside your power. Let it go, and you will find peace." By letting go, you reclaim your energy and focus on what truly matters. These 10 lessons are the foundation of emotional mastery. They'll help you protect your peace, build resilience, and take control of your reactions. Remember, mastery isn't about avoiding emotions. It's about responding with clarity and strength. If this resonated with you, subscribe to Digital Stoic Daily for more transformative insights. Share this with someone who needs a little more peace in their life, and comment below with your favorite lesson. Your journey to emotional freedom starts today. Let's walk it together.